Well, hello there, my fellow overthinkers and task hoarders. I have an update to share with you all today. As someone who tends to overthink and hoard tasks like they are going out of style, completing a complex project like adding AI copy generator and AI social media generator felt like climbing Mount Everest. But guess what? After 3 long months of blood, sweat, and tears, okay, maybe just a lot of coffee, I finally did it. We now have an inbuilt AI copy and AI social media generator, prompt generator, social media generator, something. Okay, don't get me wrong, I'm not a coder, and I definitely didn't do it myself. I just made it happen. That's all, okay? So here I am, pretty proud of myself. But of course, as a true task hoarder, I can't just stop there. No, sir. I've got plenty of other tasks that have been piling up. One of those tasks is getting my friends to sign up for my program. I was supposed to get 50 signups, but let's just say I fell a little short. So now I'm going to have to bribe you. That's right, friends. I am offering a 60-day free trial instead of the usual 30-day. If my friends who are solopreneurs struggling with technology sign up. Hey, desperate times call for desperate measures. But you know what? That's okay. Sometimes we have to get a little creative to achieve our goals. And even though I may have overthought and hoarded tasks in the past, I'm learning to trust myself and believe that I can accomplish anything I set my mind to. And you can too. So my fellow overthinkers and task hoarders, take heart. If I can do it, so can you. Just remember to keep pushing forward, even if it feels like you're stuck in quicksand. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some bribing to do. Wish me luck.